Molweni namkelekile nonke kwezi Chisabe Entertainment guys kusazoba mnandi eMzantsi as sonke sazi ba xa kuphela ke uthando nesithembu. It's going to be 1 month and then kuzobe kudlala izingane zesithembu. I'm sure ba sonke siyamazi uTirel ba ungubani kweli page, but just for those of you abangamaziyo, brief summary, uTirelo ke is Mpumelelo's baby mama and girlfriend. Kwezi season ke ezidlulileyo ke kwizingane zesithembu, she was the second girlfriend because kwakusekhona uvuyokazi wahamba ke, which will make her the first girlfriend of Usibindi. Okay, and yeah guys, I think that is the brief summary enidingayo. Ndinika i-brief summary because nam ndibona kule interview inikwe kanjalo, so I thought mandinganirobhi nam manditsho njengoba nabo besitsho. So anyways you guys, ke uTirelo uye wa invite ke Daily Sun apho aveze izinto that thina as ama-viewers of the show must expect. Bathi ke apha nansi ke ndizonifundela guys, uthi ke uTirelo, all I can say is that it's going to be a roller coaster of a lot of emotions, as it was for Vuyokazi guys on the last season. There's so much realization of a lot of things. I'd like to say there's some growth that can be expected from me. I will grow and realize a lot of things, okay? And utike uTirelo ama-viewers ichomi zakhe abantu basekuhlaleni kudala bembuza ba uMpumelelo uzomshiya nini, because uMpumelelo akabonakalisi into kokuba ungumuntu okhulileyo. Waphendula ke uTirelo wathi, my response to that question uba ndimshiya nini uMpumelelo is that I also don't know why I am still with him. I honestly don't know. I don't want to lie, because when you love someone, you just love them. People cannot even convince you to stop loving them. Sometimes not even God Jesus. Sometimes not even God can move you away from that person. You'll have to start realizing for yourself and decide whether you want to leave or not. So kuDaily Sun ke bayaveza that uMpumelelo khona ke i-girlfriend anayo entsha. I'm sure nike nambona uLady Londi ke ku Facebook esixolela uba uMpumelelo, or rather engasixoleli but esibonisa i-girlfriend entsha kaMpumelelo, right? And so bathi ke kuDaily Sun uzovela ke kule season entsha. Now uTirelo uye wabuzwa once again iDaily Sun uba into zomtshato ulobola nini uMpumelelo ithini into, and she responded and said people should just stay tuned for season 3 to come back and see how everything unfolds. But all I can say now is that there will be a lot of heartbreaks and realization going on. Okay. So again, indaba guys, I cannot wait for the new season of Izingane Zesithembu. Guys, your thoughts? That's Ella must engage Anini and doesn't wanna on the next one. Bye.